Yo, with Halloween just around the corner, we wanted to show you some ways you could celebrate. Ranging from decorations and dressing up, many people show their Halloween spirit in various ways. Today we'll be going over how to carve a pumpkin and how to bake a Halloween-related treat. The first thing you need to get is a pumpkin and carving materials. A template would also be helpful, as well as a marker to sketch out a design. Please keep in mind that it can be dangerous handling sharp tools, so be careful. First, carve out a circle around the stem of the pumpkin and scoop out the pulp inside. Once that's all clean, you can begin to carve whatever design you'd like. It may be easier to use a template or use a marker to know where you want to cut the pumpkin. After that's done, you can put a candle inside of the pumpkin if you'd like, and that's all. Ingredients for the brownies include 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 eggs, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the cream cheese layer, you'll need 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 8 ounces of cream cheese, room temperature, and orange food coloring. Make sure to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or foil, and use non-stick spray. Keep a 1/4 cup of the batter for the swirls and pour the remaining batter into a baking dish. Next, spread the cream cheese layer on top of the brownie batter and pour in the remaining brownie batter from earlier on top. Gently swirl with a knife or a skewer and bake for 30 to 35 minutes.
That is it for this year's Halloween segment, and now Jason will be taking over.
Hi, I'm Jason Bellino. Have you noticed that a small number of bathrooms have been open in the entire school? Have you ever had to walk up and down many staircases just to find a place to do your business? Last month, a TikTok trend called Devious Licks have been sweeping all over schools. This is where students steal or vandalize items from their schools, usually from their bathrooms, and show it off on the internet. Things like sanitizing dispensers, projectors, and even toilets and sinks have been deviously licked. Here are some students with their thoughts on the matter.
I think the Devious Licks trend has gotten kind of stupid, and it's annoying how students have just steal school property because of social pressure from TikTok.
I think the trend is funny because people pull out comedically large items out of their backpacks, like large clocks on the walls or even like big soap dispensers, but it is no longer just something that I see on social media, that I can find funny, and it is now something that is happening in my environment, like in my community, which makes it seem more realistic and serious, which definitely can make it more scary and make like other people that attend the school feel more unsafe.
It's definitely sussy, but stop doing it. It's not helping anybody.
This trend has definitely affected me. Ever since the Devious Licks trend have started trending on TikTok, some of the school bathrooms have had to be locked because people kept stealing stolen dispensers and probably toilets. and anytime I've tried to go to the bathrooms, I've had to wait in line. So it kind of restricts me from having to relieve myself.
The new trend has not affected me directly in any certain way yet. But I do think that the closing of bathrooms is unfair to those who may need it, and I think it is not fair that innocent people are losing their bathroom privileges, which is a necessity.
Yes, my earpods has been stolen.
Like, I can't go to the bathroom often because they closed all the bathrooms.
Obviously not, but I feel like it's the only way for the school to actually deal with the problem.
Oh, no, I don't think they should be punished because they didn't do anything.
Electric chair. I'm kidding. Don't do that.
Well, it seems that this trend has affected Jefferson. What are your thoughts on this trend? And while I go find an open bathroom, let's go with Haiti with a recap on the homecoming rally.
During homecoming, there were many people and activities involved during the Spear Week and the rally. During Spear Week, there were different themes of what to wear each day. Many people participated and showed spirit on Jefferson's homecoming week. Good job by showing your spirit, Grizzlies. Now I'll be passing it on to Tiffany to talk about Spirit Week and the lunchtime activities.
Spirit Week was very eventful. Each day there was a theme for what to wear. Here are some examples we have. Monday was Pajama Day, Tuesday was Twin Day, Wednesday was Dress to Impress, Thursday was College Day, and Friday was Class Colors. We also had LTAs for each day of the week. We had Finish the Lyric,
We're left in the dust. I'm stuck by ya. I'm a sunflower. Never need too much.
Flip Tac-Toe, Props Fashion Show, and Cup Pong. Each class got to participate in each game. The rally was really fun as well. We really enjoyed all the activities and amazing performances from the dancers. The rally also featured the popular game Red Light Green Light from the new trending series Squid Game.
Games have played a huge part in our time during the pandemic, and these are the most popular games of 2021. Minecraft. Minecraft has been one of the strongest contenders, staying in one of the most popular games even until now. This game never manages to get old. It's an open-world multiplayer and sandbox game developed by Mojang on November 18, 2011. It brings memories and nostalgia while playing with friends. Minecraft is a game that most of us already know, in which you have to survive and build your own world, and also where you get to unleash your creativity by yourself or with friends. The game offers servers in which you can play different types of games with people all over the world. Genshin Impact. Genshin Impact is an open-world role-playing game that is available in PC, mobile devices, and consoles like PlayStation. Its Nintendo Switch version is also under the works, soon to be released in the near future. Its initial release date was on September 28, 2020, and developed by MiHoYo. Some players think the key to Genshin Impact's success was because of the gacha-style gameplay. Character unlocks in this game are primarily driven through grinding enough to earn in-game currency to buy wishes, which are essentially loot boxes. This game's graphics are heavily inspired from another game, Legend of Zelda's Breath of the Wild. Cookie Run Kingdom. Cookie Run Kingdom is a new addition to the Cookie Run mobile game series. It's a free-to-play RPG, gacha, and city builder hybrid released by Dev Sisters on January 21, 2021. The game has been recently become popular thanks to its constant evolving gameplay and cast of appealing characters. You can also take on cake monsters and battle against your friends. League of Legends. League of Legends is a multiplayer online battle arena released on October 2, 2009 and developed by Riot Games. It is a team-based strategy game where 2 teams of 5 fight off against each other to destroy the opposing team's base. You can choose your own heroes to take down towers, minions, and you can also jungle as well, killing monsters to get buffs. Valorant. Valorant is a free-to-play tactical first-person shooter game developed by Riot Games. Its initial release date was June 2, 2020, and it is a 5 versus 5 character-based where gunplay meets unique agent abilities. One team attacks, the other defends. The attacking team's goal is to plant a spike and have it detonated. The defending team avoids that by eliminating their opponents.